This channel and its videos are made for a general audience. Thank you.
Free and free cupcakes. 2 minutes later. Free cupcakes! Now, children, why did the duck cross the road?
Because the chicken was on vacation.
Very good, class. Now, watch the duck as he crosses the road. See, kids, I'm going to do it. I'm going to cross the road. I'm going to do it. What the heck? Free cupcakes! Ah! Ah!
Free! Ah! Get out of my way, free cupcake! Ah!
What happened? Ace, were you eating cupcakes again? No. And that is why you should never eat too much sugar, kids. Steelworks Ryan, did you know that they're selling free cupcakes? Stanley, I don't think you should. I'm gonna go have one. What? Not again.